For headache and migraine relief. Migraine can be really frustrating. People who struggle with chronic migraine keep looking for a solution, but not many people reach for all natural alternative to their drug. Luckily, we have the best natural solution for migraines. Try this delicious green juice and headaches will never bother you again. Stress is the root cause of headache. However, many other factors can cause headaches, including bad posture, poor diet, emotional tension, or environmental toxins. Most people often go to the pharmacy and use Tylenol to relieve their headache. We have much safer solution for you. It will relieve your migraine and target the root cause. This green juice is loaded with calcium and magnesium, the most effective mineral when it comes to preventing and relieving migraines. Green juices are excellent natural remedies for migraines and can help your headaches fast. The reason is because it is easier for the nutrients to reach your bloodstream. If you consume the ingredients in liquid form, you will feel some improvement in just a minute. Here is the recipe for one of the most effective migraine home remedies. Ingredient: 5 celery stalks, 1 lime, 1 cucumber, 3/4 cup leafy green arugula, ginger 2 inches, 1 cup parsley, 2 apples Granny Smith. Preparation: blend all the ingredients and your green juice is ready for use. Drink it fresh in order to get the